I have to say a thing or two, or maybe three, about a coach who is rapidly becoming my favorite coach in the English Premier League, Erik Ten Hag. I remember when the Dutchman arrived in England to take charge of such team. I remember saying, they're going to need much more than 10 Hags, more like 40 or 50 Hags. And obviously, such team continues to struggle and struggle badly. They are looking like the proper rubbish team that some of us been touting for years. And the irony about this Ten Hag situation is that such teams' problems are bigger than Erik Ten Hag. Bigger names with bigger reputations have come and gone since Alex Ferguson departed that place. David Moyes, Louis van Gaal, Jose Mourinho, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, and now the Ten Hag. All arrived with lofty aspirations, but were gobbled up by the spiraling retribution, decimating a club that called themselves the Devils. Long reign Ten Hag, long reign Ten Hag, long reign Ten Hag, Ten Hag, Ten Hag.